Hey folks, it's Alan here again from LearnKoreanFast.com, and in this video I'm going to continue on an earlier topic where we were talking about that it's important for us to learn what Koreans would say in a specific situation rather than just translate what we are always used to saying in English, right? So a couple of examples for that, right? One is we talked before about when we're taking leave, sometimes goodbye doesn't, it's not goodbye. We never say goodbye in Korean, right? We'll just say stay peacefully, right? But even when we leave people who are working, right, we'll often leave with that expression, right? Sugo haseo, right? Can you remember? We had sugo haseo, which is basically very close to keep up the good work, right? So sugo haseo, right? So, and instead of saying keep up the good work, literally translating, right? Something like what? 좋은 일 계속하세요, right? We're going to say 수고하세요, right? So another really one that we talked about before, really interesting one was this one, right? So this kind of greeting, right? So 밥 먹었어요. 밥 먹었어요, right? So did you eat rice, right? Which really means did you have the meal, right? So oftentimes it's just greeting, right? It's not, there's no real meaning to it other than just greeting, right? But we have some other kind of interesting ones too, right? So 건강해요. We could use 건강해요. 건강 is health, right? So to do health is basically be healthy, right? So 건강해요. So we could use that as a question. 건강해요 so is kind of how are you, right? So are you healthy, right? And of course, that answer should always be yeah, 건강해요. Yeah. So again, it's not a real question. It's just a sort of greeting, right? That we might want to use, right? So we want to be careful though. If we don't want to say someone looks healthy, because maybe in English too, we might get this kind of subtle possible meaning to saying someone, oh, you look healthy, right? Because could mean you look fat, right? So if you don't want to offend someone, right? Then you don't want to say, oh yeah, someone says they look healthy, they're healthy. Oh yeah, you look healthy. Oh, you don't want to say, oh, I thought that, right? So 그렇게 생각했어요, right? Remember we talked before about this way, that way. 그렇게 생각했어요. Oh, I thought you looked healthy. What does that really mean, right? So we want to be careful to not be using those kinds of phrases in the wrong situations. But 건강해요. Yeah, 건강해요, right? So I'm healthy, right? So make sure that you try to get good phrases, specific phrases for different situations rather than just directly translating all the time, okay? Great, thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to click the subscribe button below if you haven't already so you can get notified whenever I release new videos. Hit the like button, it really helps us. It helps other people to find these videos as well. Leave a comment, question below. And thanks a lot to everybody for going to Amazon, checking out my books there on Amazon.com. It really does help me a lot, and I really do appreciate it. 다음에 봅시다.